And what up, what's good with y'all? So it's the next day from me leaving bread shop. I left there at like a little after 12. Went to sleep probably at like 2 something, almost 3. So yeah, I ended up calling in today because I got plenty of PTO sick time, so I'm using my sick time for work, and I got hella shit that I need to do today. So today Brad's gonna be putting the 2J together, so I'm gonna try to go out there later on and get some content. But right now, remember I took the water neck, so I'm about to be getting that welded up. I used to have a water temp sensor on there for the aftermarket gauges, but since everything's controlled through the CAN setup on the BTI gauge, all through the infinity, blah blah blah. So basically I have a gauge that reads everything that my ECU would show, so as if I had a laptop plugged in. So it's on a little BTI gauge, y'all seen that hella videos ago, but I'm about to be using that, so I don't need the old water temp sensor plugged in. So I'm about to be plugging all that, cleaning that up. Today's gonna be a long day, so let's just jump straight into it. Again, we're gonna skip the filler bullshit with the intro, and we're just gonna get into today. What up, ho? Huh?
You been here long?
Hell yeah, I've been here for like 30 minutes waiting.
You fucking lying ass motherfucker.
If I ain't with the gang, I'm still with my gun. Bitch, what was you thinking? Don't care if I'm out of the game and watching my son, my nigga, I'm squeezing. Yeah. Since I was a youngin', I knew I was it before I put my feet in. Everything that I'm seeing, I already seen it, cause I used to dream it. Yeah. Moving weight like a kingpin. 25 on my wheat Timbs. Stick on me like hockey, cause I had some goals that I had to defend. Yeah. If you really a shooter, I talk on computers, my nigga, let's LinkedIn. They say they won't beat them when I pull up on them, they vegan. He better chill, he don't wanna get left, I ain't T-Boss, I'm creeping.
Oh, they're broken. They're broken.
Right, already, they already come cracked.
They come broken. Oh man, you got them in the same red color?
Nothing else in there.
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
No.
Right there, it's perfect.
I'll just clean up all the edges, you know.
A little ugly right here.
Nothing a little heat gun can't fucking fix.
Nah, he rotary swapping this though.
Yeah, it'll be good with the rotary.
Yep. It's gonna be a little unique car.
Going down.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
It's gonna look fine.
Definitely need bigger wheels though. So I just left Janky's, just now arriving at ATP right now. I'm about to run in here. I need to grab a new wastegate spring because long story short is right now I'm on a 3-port boost controller, and the issue with the 3-port with the 10-pound spring is we can't get it to go above 28 pounds, and I am trying to get into that 30 range. But I'm not trying to buy a 4-port because the 4-port gets a little bit iffy when you start, you know, making those small changes. A small change in a 4-port could end up being like a difference in 4 to 5 psi with just a small change, and then, you know, if we can't correct for that. So anywho, I decided to just keep my 3-port, and then I'm just gonna go up on the wastegate spring. So probably gonna get like a 15 or 16 pound spring. So 16 pounds would be my base pressure, aka the lowest I can run, and then we can double it up to probably like 35 or whatever we need to get to. So yeah, let's get this real quick. This is about 16 pounds right here. Pulling up on him right now. What up, boy? How you been?
Pretty good. How about you?
Shit, man. I called in. I was hella tired. I didn't go to sleep till like 2 in the morning, dude.
Yeah, I went to sleep at like I went to sleep at 3.
It is done there.
Yeah, I was hella tired.
Wires ran nice.
Yeah, so I just got here, bro. Just like an hour ago. But,
It's all good.
I mean, you
yeah,
can't,
I'm ready to put that thing on. So
can't get much better
Yep,
than
that's
that.
good.
got a gasket kit today too.
Oh, it came?
Yeah.
Perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. That shit came right on time. So yeah, we got a full day of assembling for y'all. See, my man's came in short, so you know he ain't laying on the ground or getting dirty. He gonna be chilling today. Today a chill day for him. He in his comfy clothes. He don't even got the. Oh, he do got the steel toes on though.
Yeah, that's a must, dude.
Might drop another downpipe on your foot. This is about to be nasty when it's done, bruh. Like, nasty. Y'all ain't knowing.
Cleaner on this one. It's not critical though, it's just fucking
Bloopers. So I've never rode in a GTR. Look, y'all already know. This guy don't even need no introduction.
What's up, guys?
Y'all already know who this is. If you don't, you can tell by the back of the shirt. He already verified on Instagram. Mr. Famous guy over here. Never rode in one of these, so this actually losing my virginity right here in the GTR life. I'll pick you open this thing. Oh, this pop up like that.
I gotta put everything in race mode here. It's like mid 600 horse.
Damn. That's still a fast 600 horsepower GTR. It's like my first time ever riding in one of these too.
They're pretty cool.
Sorry, my friends don't just have GTRs.
What they do now?
Weather alert. Gale warning in about 15 miles
that?
from current location.
That's the baller shit.
That's some crazy shit. I never heard it do that.
Yeah, this shit's fast. It's hella smooth too.
Right? Here's the best part, the launch.
There's no lag, it's just
All right,
hella
check it out. We'll do launch
consistent.
control. Okay, everything's good. What the fuck? Oh, I gotta get up to temperature first. Never mind. We gotta drive around for a minute.
I'm good with that. Perfectly fine with driving around.
Next time you gotta come riding that 800 horse E30.
I'm gonna be here all day. Where you going?
I gotta go pick up my kid. I'm actually late to do it.
Dude, this shit's nasty.
I have a lot of fun in this thing.
It's crazy,
Go
like
around the corner, watch.
man, this shit fucking yeah, this is definitely different.
Alright, everything is good. Race. What the fuck? Come on, man. You're getting stage fright.
He got hit all his gadgets and gizmos.
Dude, I did launch control like 4 times today already. Maybe it's just pissed off at me. Or maybe this has to get higher. I don't know.
What's the operating temp for it?
I don't know what the different parameters have to be before it lets you launch control. I guess I've never hopped in it and tried to fucking do it right off the bat. Let's go, bus. It should do it by now. Okay, now it's gonna do it. Ready?
Yep. You break my neck. For sure, fucking make you knock your head all in the fucking headrest and shit. Man, it hooks hella good from a dig.
Right?
You ain't never took this to Sonoma to see what it runs?
No, you can fuck people up in the dig though.
Yeah,
Well,
it hooks hella good. Thank you, thank you.
That was fun.
Yeah, definitely. That smells crazy. That's just nasty though. Another big one now. Oh well, shit. Forgot this is gonna be a good picture right here. Damn, even the cap looks. Oh yeah, this rod is bent. And confirmed right here, bent rod. So 700 torque is the limit on stock 2JZ rods. Facts. Came all this way just to have some O-rings stop us, bruh. Tragic. Since everything is closed, yeah, we're in the belly right now. What we do have to order are these O-rings. These are going to be for oil pressure, so these are important. So you have this one here, and then this one's for water. This is coolant, so but these ones are here for the oil pump stuff. So one goes there. And the other one goes right here. So y'all, very important. This is for the blocked oil pan. I'm pretty sure Toyota or Lexus or something would have these, but it's gonna be a bit trying to find them over the holiday weekend. So I gotta try to figure something out. But yeah, we got a cool little setback right here. This is a big ass problem. Just because the timing is so small for us, waiting for Lawrence to get here for the tuning. So yeah, this sucks. Gotta figure out something. So since we don't have any gaskets and I don't know how I'm gonna try to find some or whatnot. Started cleaning the engine bay right now. Just degreasing it and trying to get all this gunk and bullshit out of here. Shit was hella nasty, but gotta start the degreasing process. Y'all seen the new rack going in. So yeah, at this point, I'm annoyed as fuck. So I'm about to be wrapping this vlog up and I need to try to figure out the next move for this. So yeah.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a